In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful for those of you who want to seamlessly connect your project management activities with your spreadsheets, ensuring that your data stays consistent and up to date across platforms. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, head over to your Trello board. If you look towards the top right corner, you'll notice a small rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, what this does is integrate additional functionalities into your Trello experience, enhancing its capabilities. After clicking on the rocket ship icon, a new option should appear. It says, Add Power-Ups. Click on that, and let me explain a bit more about what Power-Ups are. Essentially, they are plugins developed by third-party developers designed to add extra features to your Trello boards, making them even more powerful and versatile. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync by Unito. Once you see it, hit the Add button. At this point, you will need to authorize the plugin to access your Trello account. This is a straightforward process, and you should follow the on-screen prompts accordingly. Once authorized, you'll notice its button appearing on your top right toolbar. Give that button a click, and then select Create Flow. Now, hang tight for a moment as it gets everything ready for you. Once it's loaded, you'll be prompted to choose which tools you'd like to connect. In this setup, we want to link Trello with Google Sheets. So, select Trello initially, and then Google Sheets as your second tool. If you haven't already connected your Google Sheets with Unito, you'll need to do that now. Again, it's quite a simple process. Just follow the instructions to grant access. Next, you will need to specify the Trello board you wish to sync. Look through your list of boards and select the one you want. Similarly, you'll be asked to choose a specific Google Sheet for the synchronization. Select the appropriate sheet that corresponds with your Trello board. Finally, there's one last bit to ensure everything works smoothly. You'll need to install the Unito add-on directly within Google Sheets. This step is crucial because it allows the data to flow seamlessly between Trello and Google Sheets. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a two-way sync between Trello and Google Sheets. This integration can save you a lot of time and effort by automatically updating information across both platforms, keeping your projects organized and up to date. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you found this video useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from syncing their Trello and Google Sheets. See you next time.